So today, as it is Saturday, we are starting our speaking session, and today you are being given a different topic about the thinking of people. Some people are always negative; they always find faults in every work, but some are very positive. They always find comfort in every situation. They say that all is well, nothing to worry. But some are those who see discomfort in every situation. So you have to describe it in your own words, and also you have to produce some examples, like when they eat food, like when they read any literature, what they think, okay, about climate. So you have to produce two three examples, and you have to express your views. So I'm starting with Sushil. Come on, Sushil.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Sushil, and I am student of the Ramban Online Interactive Classes from 16.
Hmm.
And today, my topic is the way of thinking.
Huh.
As we know that we live in society, and there are many people, and when we come across with people, we will find that there are two types of people.
Hmm.
First is uh, first is happy and second is unhappy.
Hmm.
This arises from the situation
Hmm.
in which they consider things, people, and situation.
Hmm.
First things always positive, and second things always negative.
Hmm.
This is the difference between their thinking.
Hmm.
Uh, I can take some example of it, like in restaurant on table, they may find food.
Shabash. Nice explanation. Yes, very good. Yes.
First may find food delicious, and the second may find gross food.
Hmm.
And in schools, suppose that two students get equal marks,
Hmm.
like um, 40 marks out of 50.
Huh.
And if we see that first student is happy and second student is unhappy, why? Still, they get equal marks
However, hmm.
because because of their thinking.
Hmm.
So that's it.
वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छा, शाबाश. बस ऐसी कोशिश करते रहो सारे के सारे लोग. यस, कम ऑन कोमल.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Komal Berwa and I am the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes from batch 11, and today my topic is people. And we all know that there there is a lot of people in the world, and
आ रहेगा ना, कितनी बार समझा रहा हूँ, प्लूरल का सिंगुलर प्लूरल. देयर इज लॉट ऑफ पीपल कैसे आ जाएगा? आ रहेगा ना बेटा, थोड़ा ध्यान रखना थोड़ा सा.
sorry sir,
हाँ, कोई बात नहीं. हाँ.
there are
हाँ.
there are lot of people in the world, and we meet different types of people, and in the world there are two types of people. And first type of people, uh, that people that people feel very happy in every situation, and uh, they have they have solution to that. They have solution to the all problems, and they found they found they
फाइंड.
find out they find out they find out solution, and they can handle their problems. And the second
शाबाश
type of people that second type of people that they find out they have many problems in their life, and they feel that we have no solution to any problem, and they feel very bad. And when they eat something eat, they find that it is not good and it is not tasty food, so they have also problem in that food. And
वेरी गुड यस शाबाश बेटा हाँ
and they and uh, that people go to somewhere, then they find that it is not good place, and we can't stay here, and they have also problem, so that people can't
सच
live
पीपुल
happy.
दैट पीपुल नहीं सच पीपुल
Yes, sir. Such people can't feel happy in that situations. But first type of people, they find out sorry, they find out the solution such problems.
ऑफ सच
And they,
प्रॉब्लम्स ध्यान से
yes, sir, of such problems. And second type of people, they have many problems, and they feel that climate is not good, and weather is also not good. They have many problems in the summer. They say that um, in the summer we feel very hot today, and in the winter they say that we feel very cold today, and in the rainy season they feel that there is a too messy in the rainy season, so they have also many problems in every situation, so they don't feel so they can't feel happy. And and they and when they meet uh, meet people to everywhere, they say that that person very ugly and that person is very beautiful, but it is not good to judge every people,
एवरी
because
पीपल
all
नहीं एवरी
people.
वन पीपल प्लूरल होता है ध्यान रखो मैं बार बार कहता हूँ सिंगुलर प्लूरल का ध्यान रखो सब ज्यादा गलतियां यही करते हो बोलो बोलो
Yes, sir. And in the world, all people are very beautiful, and we have no we have no idea. सर उसको क्या बोलेंगे, हक को हक नहीं होता.
राइट
Yes, sir. We have no right to judge to every to anyone, and
ऐसे ध्यान रखा करो बस हाँ
yes, sir. And second type of people, they find out bad qualities in every situation. And and in the exam and in the government policies, they find out also different types of problems. But the first type of people is good, are sorry sir are good, and they feel very happy, and they have many solution to all problems. And we have we have to patience in every situation. That's it,
वी
sir.
शुड हैव पेशेंस कोई बात नहीं थोड़ा ध्यान रखें ग्रामेटिकल ध्यान करो बेटा थोड़ा सा सुना करो अपने स्पीकिंग को तो बहुत कुछ तुम्हें पता चल जाएगा है ना यस नाउ यामिनी
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Yashashvi Saw. I'm the student of Ramban English Online Interactive Classes from Batch BAT. Today, my topic is people. As we all know that in the world there are a lot of people in our surroundings. These people divided into two parts. First, who always positive, and second, who always negative.
who are always, थोड़ा सा ध्यान रख, हाँ.
Positive and who are always negative. The the person who is always positive, he always stay happy, happy and fresh.
Hmm.
The another one always looks unhappy and energyless.
Hmm.
Although they have equal wealth, health,
Hmm.
and other comforts.
Hmm.
The way of thinking is also different in in these persons.
Hmm.
The person who is always positive, he consider things in a right way, like he always he always find positive and good things in anything. But a person who is always negative, he find um he find faults in anything.
Hmm.
um is like we can take an example of our company and our two school friends.
Hmm.
They get equal marks,
Hmm.
but they are not good.
Hmm.
One suppose that, oh, it's good, next time I try more better. But second one makes sorrow,
becomes sorrowful, huh?
becomes sorrowful.
Hmm.
And other example, our two friends, one of them get 80 marks and another also get same.
Hmm.
One become happy because he get 80 marks, but one becomes sorrowful because he cannot get 20 marks.
Hmm. Could not. Hmm.
Could
Tense
not
point.
could not get 20 marks. So so in our company we can also found that these
Find वर्क फॉर्म का ध्यान रखा कर थोड़ा सा.
find these two type of person.
Hmm.
The positive, the person who is positive, when he go somewhere,
Hmm.
he watch the beauty and the quality of anything. But a person who is negative, he always find faults. He always watch dirty things and wrong things. He can see that there are so many flowers.
Hmm.
He cannot see there are so many flowers. But he can see there is mud,
Hmm.
a lot of mud.
Hmm.
Um, these type of person cannot be satisfied by anything.
Hmm.
Although we can provide them the best uh, faculties of world.
Facilities, huh?
Facilities of world. In any poem, and the positive person watch the way of writing, the beauty, the message of the poem, but
Hmm.
the negative person always found he
Finds.
find there is a spelling mistake, this line is not good, there is no rhyming.
Hmm.
This type of person, when he go in a restaurant, he he always find fault in food.
Hmm.
It is not tasty. um
Hmm.
इसकी बजाय को क्या बोलेंगे, इसकी बजाय
Rather than.
another than, I can
Rather
go.
than. Another नहीं.
हाँ, another than,
अरे rather than होता है. Another दिमाग में another बैठा रखा है.
rather than
हाँ.
I go there, etc, etc,
Hmm.
etc. But A person who is positive, he always said that, wow, it is a nice food. I like to visit here.
Hmm. Hmm.
And we try to
Hmm.
become first person. Thank you, sir. That's it.
वेरी गुड, ठीक है। कोशिश कोई ग्रामर का ध्यान रखो, थोड़ा सा ग्रामर की बहुत मिस्टेक्स करते हो तुम, हैं? बहुत ज्यादा मिस्टेक्स करते हो ग्रामेटिकली। यस, कम ऑन गौरव।
Yes, sir. I'm Gaurav and my today's topic is that two types. There are two types of people in the world.
हाँ,
So there are two types of people. So there are two types of people in the world.
हाँ,
One thinks negative and one thinks positive.
हाँ,
For example, that one person visits a restaurant and ate a food and was satisfied with the food and
हाँ,
praised the food and said the waiter to keep it up and make ano- make the food better than again
हम्म,
better than others.
हम्म,
But one kind of people are type of that if they visit a restaurant, they will complain of the food, they will scold
हम्म,
that this the salt is that salt that salt's amount is high or the food is not tasty, it is and etc etc.
हम्म,
And these type of people always finds bad or bad habits in everything. Like if they see a nice view, they will say that the height is too much
हम्म,
and this is very dangerous and this is very also fearful
हम्म,
and we have to not visit it. But a good thinking person will
हम्म,
will say that this is a very nice view, a beautiful view. I will come again
हम्म,
and etc.
हम्म,
So so these are two peoples. One who does not satisfied, who does
not,
not
do
satisfy,
not,
do
मस्त
not
बोला।
satisfy, do not satisfy with anything,
आर
but
नॉट
one who
सेटिस्फाइड, कोई बात नहीं, बोलो 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 बोलो।
are not satisfied,
हम्म,
but one who who wants a, who thinks everything happily and takes thing happily.
हम्म,
Like another example, there were two students. One get 80, 85 marks and other get the same. So one will praise and praise the God and thank you the God and
हम्म,
thank you
नाइस
himself
एक्सप्लेनेशन,
that
शाबाश, हाँ।
and will say that
हम्म,
I get 85 marks and I will do better again and go and try to fulfill the need of the left 15 marks. But one will be tensed for the 15 marks and will not be very happy for
हम्म,
its marks and
हाँ,
will think about the 15 marks that I can't get 15 marks and it will be very stressful.
हाँ,
That's it. Thank you, sir.
वेरी गुड, बहुत बढ़िया, नाइस एक्सप्लेनेशन, कीप इट अप। अच्छा, पहले से इम्प्रूवमेंट हो रहा है बेटा, बड़बड़ाहट नहीं दिखाई दे रही। यस, नाउ आदित्य।
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir.
वेरी गुड इवनिंग बेटा।
Hello, everyone. My name is Aditya Donavat. I am the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes from B18. Today's our topic is people.
हम्म,
As we all know that people's
पीपुल
is a
आर,
person.
ध्यान दे थोड़ा सा यार, पीपुल में एस नहीं लगता, फिर इज लगा रहा है, पीपुल प्लूरल होता है हमेशा, थोड़ा सा फोकस कर, बोल।
Okay.
हाँ,
People are a person, and there are two types of person, like uh, bad person and happy person.
हम्म,
And a happy person happy person is very nice persons because they persons go in a restaurant
Hmm.
and 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 they eat food and waiter come and and सर पूछने को क्या कहते हैं
Ask.
ask what is the taste of food and person say that food are very tasty but only salt are is very less
Hmm.
and bad persons go in a restaurant and say the waiter the food is very bad
Hmm.
and
Hmm.
and I feel vomiting and I you make bad food.
Hmm.
So this is very and restaurant feel hurt.
Hmm.
Uh,
Shabash, shabash. Hmm.
and and la and we go to the exam in the school
Hmm.
and we give exam
Hmm.
and 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 our results are 80% and our friend results are same.
Hmm.
So this is a very confusing thing and uh, and and the child think that he uh, think that this is a cheater
Hmm.
uh, but it is not. This is our improvement and our practice.
Hmm.
At last I want to say that
Shabash. Hmm.
we make a good person in the future. Yes, that's it.
बहुत बढ़िया. कोशिश बहुत अच्छी करते हो. वेरी गुड. आज कुछ भेजा नहीं तुमने?
सर वो मैं जयपुर आया हूँ आज.
ओहो. राजधानी में
सर
आ
आप
गए तुम. कोई बात नहीं
सर आपके पास ही हूँ एकदम.
है.
हाँ
आजा. कहाँ है पास में?
सर यहाँ न्यू आतिश मार्केट.
ओहो. आजा तो मेरे पास.
सर अभी मैं यहाँ से जाऊंगा भी 7 बजे
अच्छा
खुलेरा.
अच्छा. चल कोई बात नहीं. पापा भी यही है?
हाँ सर पापा मम्मी पूरा परिवार यहीं पर
अरे
है.
वाह. तो मजे हो गए तेरे. स्कूल की छुट्टी थी क्या आज?
हाँ हाँ सर आज मैंने छुट्टी ले ली वो स्कूल से.
अरे वेरी गुड. नाइस. वेरी नाइस. Sometimes you
लेनी
should have
चाहिए
holidays.
चाहिए.
Yes, very good. Yes, come on, Priya.
Yes, sir. Good evening, everyone. My name is Priya Meena. I'm the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes, and today's our topic is the way of thinking
Hmm.
of people. So there are two types of people, and their their thinking are quite different,
Hmm.
and they both have same comforts, health, wealth
Huh.
in their life, but but they are different
Hmm.
because of their thinking,
Hmm.
and the way of thinking towards the things is take them different for this reason.
Hmm.
One is happy and second is unhappy, and they feel, one feel convenience in things and second feel inconvenience
Hmm.
for the things,
Hmm.
and they can find things they can find things and situations in they can find the things in many situations, like at the meal they can find it good
Hmm.
or bad in taste,
Hmm.
and during the climate one is one is thankful for the climate, and the second curse the climate
बहुत बढ़िया,
for
very good, शाबाश. हाँ.
curse the climate
Hmm.
and also complain for it. And
Against
in
it.
the poem and literature, they have better and Ross opinion for this. And the, in if we talk about the government, so one has problem for the laws and rules, and second have not. And they can find these their thinking for the people same also, because one can take the people's behavior and habit in a positive way, and second can take them in a negative way.
शाबाश.
One always finds बुरे गुणों को क्या बोलते हैं?
Bad qualities, bad things.
One always find bad qualities in the people, and second always find good qualities in the people. So in this way they are opposite according to their thinking. And the one person is always unhappy in his life because of his own thinking, and because he always takes negative view and thinking for this world. And the second is always happy because he always stay positive and takes the view in a positive way for this world. That's it, sir.
Okay, very nice, shabash. Keep it up, beta. Yes. Yes, come on. Who is there? Tiger. He's from Bihar. Tiger, try to get the idea after listening the other people.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Then,
yes.
sir.
Come on. Very good, beta. Yes, Harshit.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Harshit More. I'm the student of Raman Online Interactive Classes. Today's my topic is different types of people. There are different types of people in our society. Like there are two types of people. Although they have same things and difficulties, but they have the different. They have a different manner to think the things, and whether they have the comfort of the whole world, but uh, a person will a person would think that I don't have so, and the other one would think that I have so, and their thinking is different, and we can take many examples for it, like if when a student gets 80% out of 100, he only thinks about 80%. That is good. That, and on the other hand, when a student gets 80% out of 100, uh, he only sees only 20%, because he thinks that those 20% were more important than 80%. And the people who think positive live a positive life, and the people who think negative leads a negative life. So in my view, everyone should think positive and they must lead a positive life. That's it, sir.
Very good. Nice. Nice explanation. Shabash, beta. Yes, come on, Rakshit.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Akshit Maurya, and today I am telling about types of people. As we all know that there are two types of people. Some are happy and some are sad. And but both have equal health and wealth, and equal facilities and other comforts. But what is the reason behind this, that some are happy and some are sad? The reason is that the the reason is the way of their thinking. Some consider things in a right way, or some consider things in wrong way, and so considering is very important. And if we consider things in a right way, and we will we will be happy, and if we consider things in a wrong way, we will be sad. And there are some people also who gets who have a lot of comfort, but after this they are sad. So why? So they are sad because the way of thinking of their life is not positive. They think they think in a negative way. So positive, so thinking positive and negative plays a very important role in our life. We should be positive. We should find something positive in from a thing. And if we will do this, we will find
फिर वही
positiveness
वही तो
everywhere.
करी ना तुमने कंडीशनल सेंटेंस में, बार बार कहता हूँ मैं, दोनों में विल लगा दिया ना, इफ क्लॉज में भी और मेन क्लॉज। कोई बात नहीं, आगे बोलो, फोकस
Yes,
करो
sir.
थोड़ा सा। हाँ हाँ।
Yes, sir. You will find positiveness everywhere, and there are some people who and we can take the example of weather, that if the weather is hot, some people say it is good, but there are also some people who say bad. And when the weather is cold, the same people say it is not good. And so the way of thinking of their life is negative. And if we fail in anything, we should try it again. And because because to fail is not the failure. To accept failure is the real failure. And and also the world stands on trying, and so we should try again. And at last I want to say that we should we should change our way of thinking from negative to positive, and we will find positiveness everywhere. So that's it.
Okay, very good. Yes, शाबाश बेटा. Yes, come on, Kabir.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Kabir. I'm the student of Rambar English Interactive Classes from batch B18. Today's topic is people. As we know that we are human beings, and we mainly divided into two categories. We both have equal things, health and wealth, all comforts, but one is happy and second is unhappy. They arises different ways, like a person take more pleasings. He think I take more pleasings by my aunt, mother, etc. But
कोई बात नहीं, बोलो। हाँ, बोलो बोलो बोलो।
but the second people said it is not enough pleasing. Some people are convenience and some people are inconvenience. They also think about they also think about weather, like the weather is cold. One first people like it is very good, but second people said it is not good. If the weather is if the weather is monsoon, the first people say it is also very good, always very good, but the second people said it is not good. The people, these things depend upon their mind. If their mindset is positive,
शाबाश।
they
हाँ,
they think only positive. If their mindset is negative, they only think negative. We also said second people rebel.
rebel। हाँ हाँ, बोल बोल बोल।
Rebel. They also find faults on in the food, like meal, drinks, which is good and not good. But first people said the food is very good, but the second people said the food is not good. It is very it is very salty.
Hmm.
So my views is, so at last I want to say that we should think only positive. We should not we should not think negative. Yes, that's it.
राइट, शाबाश। और थोड़ा सा फोकस करना, सुनना जरूर अपनी रीडिंग को। और राइट, लिख करके भेजना इस टॉपिक को, है ना? यस, कम ऑन
Okay.
रोहित। हाँ बेटा, कम ऑन रोहित।
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Rohit Yadav, and today I'm going to tell you about thinking of people. As we all know that in this world there are people who have different mindset, but there are mostly two types of people. Some are always positive and some are always negative. The people who are positive minded are always are always satisfied with the things happening in their environment, but the people who are unhappy and or we can say are not satisfied unhappy always stay unsatisfied with the things they are what they are
दिखाओ नोट्स। हाँ,
they are
देखो मैं
they are
बोल दिया ना
watching.
मैंने। हाँ बोल।
Yes, sir, they are watching in
क्रॉस।
their.
ओके चलो ठीक है, बोलो तुम तुम्हारे हिसाब से। हाँ।
Yes, sir, they are watching in their environment. So I feel that we should be positive minded, because when we are positive minded, then we then we do not fail in stress. If we will take stress, then
फिर वही
if
गलती
we
करते हो
will
ना,
take
फिर वही कंडीशनल
if we
सेंटेंस में गड़बड़ी करते हो तुम लोग। हाँ।
if we take stress,
देन की कोई
then
जरूरत ही
we
नहीं, उधर इफ आ गया, कितनी बार कहे तुमको। हाँ।
if we take stress then if we take stress our health will be decreased, and we will fall ill.
डिक्रीज नहीं है,
So
गलत है यहाँ पे। चलो बोलो, अभी तो नहीं टोकूंगा मैं आपको।
yes,
हाँ।
sir. From my mind, I think that we should be positive minded, because in most of the cases we see like there, if two persons who have same health, same wealth, are sitting on a dining table and having a meal. At that time, one person will admire the food, but one will say that this is not good. These are the things which are not there in this meal, and these types of things are said by different types of by the two people sitting on a table. So the person who is not satisfied with the things in his or her surrounding, he or she always deal with the problem that is they do not admire anyone, do not admire anyone, which creates a problem in their relations. But the people who are satisfied with all the things are always happy, and have good relationships, because they are happy in small things. They do not want
वेरी
big
स्मॉल
things.
थिंग्स। हाँ, कोई बात नहीं, बोल बोल।
Yeah, yes, sir. They do not want big things. They are satisfied with what they have, and that's it, sir.
ओके वेरी गुड। यस, कम ऑन हर्ष, थोड़ा सा फोकस करो जरा ग्रामर पे। हाँ।
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Harsh Yadav, and today my topic is types of people. Uh, as many people think that there are only two types of people, one who always think positive, and second who always think negative. But to my mind, there are three types of people. First, who every time think positive. Second, who every time think of negative, and third, who are neutral.
वेरी
They
गुड, बहुत अच्छी बात, नए कंसेप्ट ले आए, शाबाश, आगे बोलो। हाँ।
they do not matter that what is happening in their surrounding. They live in the present.
हम्म।
They do not live in neither past nor future. These people live freely. They always think from their mind, and they do not believe their emotions. Like there can be a situation in which
क्या हुआ? डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया है। ये सबसे बड़ा, दिस इज द ओनली ड्रॉबैक। यस
at so these type of people live longer because they have no stress to their mind. And the other two types of people have stress or not have stress. First is a positive type of people. They do not matter what is happening in their surrounding. They always think positive. Like if they have met a accident, then they will think that our only left leg we have hurt only our left leg, not the right leg. It is a good news. Any other thing would have happened, then what would I do? In this way, they always think about positive things. They do not come negative. They do not let negative things come to their mind. And other and last type of people is negative thinking people. They always think of negative. Like if they have got a very good meal, then also they will not share it. Simply say that there is a something missing, like a small amount of salt is missing or sugar is high. They will find these unnecessary things. But the main motto of them is to decrease the value of that thing. So to my mind, best type of people is the third, which are neutral. They do not which do not react on anything. That's it.
ओके, वेरी गुड। थोड़ा सा ग्रामर पे ध्यान दो सर। फ्लो वगैरह सब कुछ अच्छा है, ग्रामर बार बार कह रहा हूँ, ग्रामर पे थोड़ा ध्यान दो। बहुत ज्यादा मिस्टेक्स करते हैं ग्रामर में हम लोग। यस, कम ऑन, कोई बात नहीं। लक्ष्मी गुजर।
Yes, sir. My name is Lakshmi Gujjar. Today our topic is a different type of people. There are two type of people. One is negative and another is positive. They have equally wealth, health and comfort life. They have same degrees, but sometimes they take bad and good. Whenever they fun convenience sir convenience नहीं सर they
इजी करके बोलो, ज्यादा टिपिकल मत बोलो उसको, इजी करके बोलो बिल्कुल। हाँ,
whatever situation they may find convenience and inconvenience. And one person take convenience in a positive way and another person take convenience in a negative way.
कन्वीनियंस नहीं,
Situation.
हाँ, आगे बोलो। हाँ,
Yes, sir.
हाँ,
And sometimes they go to other country and they take their climate in negative way and positive way. Even they visit there and sometimes they see beautiful person, they make fun and they do evils. And when they sit on eating table, they find fault in about the food, and one say that it is bad food and another say that it is a good food. And they read novels, poems and lessons. They find fault right and wrong. And they always find fault different things
इन डिफरेंट
and
थिंग्स। हाँ, बोलो बोलो, आराम से
in
बोलो।
different things. And order whatever government they may find good and bad. Some people take differently those good and bad conclusion
कंक्लूजन
नहीं सर consequence.
Consequences.
and and they always do evils, and they always they remain negative, and we should not take any situation in negative way. We should take any situation in positive way. That's it, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया, very good. बस कोशिश करते रहो, शाबाश. Very nice. Yes, come on, Vaishnavi.
Yes, sir. Good evening, all of you. My name is Vaishnavi. I am the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes from B18, and today our topic is different types of people. As you know that there are two types of people. One is happy. People became happy, and another became sad.
Became क्यों लगा रहे हो? Present में चलेगा सारा. आगे बोलो.
Yes, sir. And they and some people thought some people think that this thing is not good, but some people think that this thing is good.
Think
And
नहीं,
like
think. Think और thing में अंतर होता है बेटा. THING जो आप बोल रहे हो. Think. हाँ, आगे बोलो.
think.
हाँ.
And for example, when we in a restaurant, some people सर कमी निकालने को क्या बोलता है?
Get faults. Find
Some
faults.
people
Find faults. हाँ.
some people find faults in the food, and some people say that the food is good, and some people and they have equal comforts, and rich wealth, etc. And they and for example, some people say that the rainy season is good, and some people say that
Rainy season is not
that
good.
rainy season is not good,
हाँ.
and
Connect किया करो उसको
they
बराबर से चीजों को. हाँ.
they and they take the situation in a negative way, and some people in my opinion, we should take the situation in positive way, and we should think positive things, and when we think positive things, then the think will be in positive, and in the last, I want to say that we should think the positive. Thank you, sir. That's it.
फैला दिया तुमने आज. अच्छा बोल रहे थे, लेकिन और उसको कलेक्ट करके रखते ना तुम तो और अच्छे से बोलते. अच्छा बोला है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, लेकिन और कोशिश करो, सुनना जरूर अपनी रिकॉर्डिंग, है ना. यस तनिष, कम ऑन तनिष.
Yes, sir. Good evening, all of you. My name is Tanish. I am a student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes from batch 19. Today's my topic is people. As we know that there are two types of people. They are equally, but they are equally in health and wealth, and equally comforts, and but some are happy and some are unhappy. They and but some find fault in everything. like person, event, and anything.
शाबाश, हाँ ऐसे सुनो, जरा ध्यान से सुना करो एक दूसरे को। हाँ।
If we purchase a bike, if we purchase a bike, one person, one person will find faults, and second, sir, एक second, one person will say bad, and the second person say best. It is not good. And in climate, some have problem in any all climates, but some are very happy in every climate, in all
ऐसे
climates.
शाबाश शाबाश, कोई नहीं, एवरी क्लाइमेट भी अच्छा है, कोई बात नहीं, घबराओ मत। हाँ।
And some are find faults in laws, in government, and some are say that government laws are very best.
वेरी बेस्ट नहीं लगाते, वेरी गुड या बेस्ट।
Very
बेस्ट को कम
good.
यूज किया करो, बेस्ट का वो सुपरलेटिव में चला गया। कोई बात नहीं, बोलो आगे बोलो।
Very they people are very they people are equal, but their thinking is very different. And at last I say that I want to say that we should positive in every situation. Yes sir, that's it.
बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत अच्छा एफर्ट से बेटा, शाबाश, कोशिश करते रहो बेटा। आज बहुत नया सा टॉपिक था और बिल्कुल तभी तो थोड़ा सा खुलोगे ना धीरे धीरे आप लोग। यस, कम ऑन मधु।
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Madhu Kumari Meena. I am the student of Ramban Interactive Classes from batch 20. Today my topic is thinking of people. There are two types of people. They have equal degrees wealth, health, and comfort in a in our life.
Their
नहीं,
life,
in their life, sorry sir.
छोटे छोटे
है
सेंटेंस
ना?
बोलो। हाँ।
Okay, sir. But one is happy and second is unhappy. The reason for this is that they think different for things. We can take some examples. First type of people find positive in every situation, and second type of people find negative in every situation.
Negativity.
Negativity in every situation. And positive person enjoy the meal, and negative person says that the meal is not good, and um, uh, first type of people enjoy in every weather, and says that the weather is very good and beautiful. And the second type of people says that the weather is not good, and complain and cry. Positive person captures good habits
शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया बेटा। हाँ।
in people, and negative person captures bad habits in people. First type of people accepts the rules and laws of government,
बहुत बढ़िया बोल रहे हो।
and
हाँ।
second type of people accepts does not accept to them.
पीपुल लगाया तो डू नॉट आना चाहिए था, कोई बात नहीं, आगे बोलो। कोई बात नहीं, आगे बोलो, तुम फ्लो खत्म हो जाएगा, अभी बोलते रहो। हाँ, सुनना जन
In
पता
this
चल जाएगा कि
way,
हाँ।
in this way, they are different because of their thinking. That's it, sir.
बहुत अच्छा बोला तुमने आज, थॉट्स को बहुत अच्छे से कस के बांध बूंद के ढंग से जरा तरीके से तुमने आज उसको किया, बहुत अच्छा, वेरी गुड, शाबाश। छोटे छोटे सेंटेंस, छोटे छोटे सेंटेंस, ये तो इसी में जीतता है आदमी। यस, कम ऑन खुशी गुजर,
Yes, sir.
आ जा बेटा।
My topic is story of two types men.
घबराना मत बिल्कुल भी। हाँ,
There are two types of men. Mm, they both have everything equally, like degree, health, wealth, comforts, everything.
शाबाश, छोटे छोटे सेंटेंस बना बना के बोलना बस। हाँ, बोल।
But first person is positive or second person is negative. Positive person always happy and negative person always sad, unhappy.
कोई बात नहीं, एक ही बात है, सैड और अनहैप्पी, क्या दिक्कत है, बोल, घबराए मत बिल्कुल भी। हाँ,
They go anywhere and so positive person always enjoy every moment.
वेरी गुड। हाँ,
And another person enjoy every moment.
घबराए मत बिल्कुल भी, घबराएगी तो गड़बड़ कर जाएगी। हाँ,
They
छोटे
eat
छोटे। हाँ,
food. When they eat food, one person find evils in food. Evil in food.
फॉल्ट्स, कोई बात नहीं।
The first person said that food is very, very yummy and tasty. Or another person said that food is not yummy. I think the food was there is tasty. That's it, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया बोला है, घबराया मत कर बस बिल्कुल भी। हाँ, ऐसे ही आता है, धीरे धीरे सब ऐसे ही आने लग जाता है फिर, है ना बेटा। हाँ, बार बार तो ना स्किल है ये। यस, कम ऑन रश्मि,
Yes, sir.
अच्छा परफॉर्म
Good
करना
evening,
बेटा।
everyone.
हाँ बेटा, ध्यान से ना। हाँ,
Good
यस।
evening, everyone. My name is Rashmi Meena. My topic is what is way of thinking of people. There are many peoples in world. There are two types of peoples in world. They have equal wealth, health, and equal degrees. Some peoples always sad and some people always happy. This is depend how they consider things. In another word, we say that what is way of thinking.
आवाज सही कर बेटा।
Some people.
बोल बोल बोल। कैमरा बंद कर दे तेरा। हाँ, अब बोल।
Some people always think positive and some people always think negative. Their thinking way is different to each other.
From each other.
From each other. We take an example. Two students get 80 marks in exams out of 100. First satisfy their minds, cannot satisfy to their marks. First say I will try good next time.
बहुत बढ़िया, शाबाश।
This is depend how we are think.
We think. हाँ,
We think. That's it, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया बोला है, बहुत शॉर्ट, लेकिन अपनी बात कह के चली गई तू सारी की सारी। थोड़ा सा और बोल देती, कोशिश करती तो, पर कोई बात नहीं है। नाइस स्पीकिंग, कीप इट अप बेटा, शाबाश। बस ऐसे घबराहट को दूर करो। यस, कम ऑन मुस्कान, थोड़ा थोड़ा से ही बोलो, टॉपिक ही छोटा सा था। इट वाज नॉट अ बिग टॉपिक। यस, कम ऑन मुस्कान, 2 सेंटेंस 4 सेंटेंस ही बोलोगे तो मेरे लिए बहुत है। यस, कम ऑन मुस्कान। आवाज नहीं आ रही, माइक चालू कर।
Yes. My name is Khan, and today my topic is good person and some bad person. There are two type of person in earth.
ऑन द अर्थ, इन द वर्ल्ड, इन सोसाइटी, आगे बोलो।
Some
आ बेटा, फटाफट से आ बेटा। देखी तो आवाज आएगी ना, बोल।
yes. There are two type of person in earth.
अरे बेटा, इन अर्थ नहीं होता है, तू सुनती क्यों नहीं है मेरी बात को यार। ऑन द अर्थ बोल फिर, या इन द वर्ल्ड बोल दे। बोल फटाफट से, आगे बोल।
In the world,
हम्म
some people always happy and some people always unhappy.
हाँ,
One who thinks negative is not good.
इज नॉट हैप्पी। गुड और बैड वाली बात नहीं है यहाँ पर। हाँ,
One who thinks positive is happy.
बोल बोल बोल।
The one who thinks good things happen in his life. And the one who thinks good, नहीं sorry, bad,
फोकस नहीं है तेरा, फोकस करके रख थोड़ा सा। हाँ,
unhappy in his life. Like a man like all climates and second always
डिसलाइक ऑल क्लाइमेट्स, ये ले,
dislike all climate.
फोकस कर थोड़ा सा। हाँ, बोल।
Yes.
क्या हुआ?
That's it, sir.
कहाँ गई थी तू, ये बताना जरा। बीच में कहाँ चली गई थी तू क्लास छोड़ के बेटा?